Good morning, my stars. It's Mrs. Graham. I hope you are doing great. Today, all I need you to do is look at the board and click on Google Classroom. It will give you the link for today and tomorrow's DOL. It's not really a DOL, it's more of a end of the year activity. Please try to do it. It's not for a grade, but I want to know what your answer to my question is. I hope you enjoy this virtual classroom that I created. I added our plant, our science interactive notebooks, our bucket of pencils, our aquarium. Who can tell me what this here is? Well, I hope you can get this done so that I can see it. Thank you.